Imagine a world where your fridge restocks itself, your assistant anticipates your every need, and doctors can predict health issues before they arise. This isn't a scene from a sci-fi movie. It's the near future. Here are 10 AI innovations set to revolutionize your daily life by 2027. Stay tuned to find out how the future is closer than you think. Number 10. Autonomous vehicles. By 2027, the vision of autonomous vehicles, AVs, on our roads will have shifted from a futuristic concept to an everyday reality. With predictions indicating that 1 in 10 cars will be self-driving, the implications for safety and efficiency are profound. AVs promise to drastically reduce the number of accidents caused by human error, which accounts for a significant percentage of road incidents. Integrating sophisticated sensors and AI algorithms allows these vehicles to react to traffic conditions with precision and foresight far beyond human capabilities. This advancement is not just about mitigating risks, it's about creating a seamless and harmonious flow of traffic, where each autonomous car communicates with others to optimize routes and reduce congestion. The efficiency gains from autonomous vehicles extend beyond traffic management. They herald a new era of transportation logistics, where goods can be delivered with unprecedented speed and precision. The ripple effects will be felt across various sectors, from reducing the carbon footprint due to optimized driving patterns to revolutionizing public transport with on-demand, point-to-point services. For individuals, the time spent behind the wheel can be repurposed for leisure or work as the car takes over navigation. Number 9. AI in agriculture. The agricultural landscape is on the brink of a revolution, thanks to the integration of AI technologies. By 2027, AI in agriculture is expected to enhance significantly how we cultivate and harvest our food. Advanced AI-powered farming techniques will enable farmers to accurately monitor crop health and soil conditions, using data-driven insights to make informed decisions. This shift towards precision agriculture will boost productivity and promote sustainability by optimizing resource use and reducing waste. AI's predictive analytics will be crucial in anticipating weather patterns, pest infestations, and crop diseases, allowing timely interventions to save entire harvests. Moreover, AI-driven automation in farming operations, such as planting, weeding, and harvesting, will alleviate labor shortages and reduce the physical toll on farmers, making agriculture more appealing to the next generation. The benefits of AI in agriculture extend beyond the fields and into the global food supply chain. With the world's population projected to reach nearly 10 billion by 2050, the demand for food will increase substantially. AI's capacity to enhance yield quality and quantity is a critical step towards meeting this demand sustainably. Intelligent systems will facilitate better food distribution, minimizing spoilage and ensuring that produce reaches consumers fresher and faster. Integrating AI in agriculture will also support the development of new crop varieties, better suited to changing environmental conditions, thereby safeguarding food security. As we approach 2027, AI's role in agriculture promises a more productive and sustainable farming industry and a healthier planet. Number 8. Artificial intelligence agents. Artificial intelligence agents are poised to become ubiquitous in our daily lives by 2027, acting as personal assistants, companions, and even emotional confidants. Imagine an AI program that understands your needs and preferences, anticipates your tasks, and offers personalized recommendations. These AI agents are expected to seamlessly integrate into our homes, workplaces, and wearables, providing constant support and assistance. They could help us manage our schedules, automate routine tasks, and even offer emotional support through intelligent conversation and analysis of our interactions. With their ability to learn and adapt, AI agents have the potential to become invaluable tools for personal and professional success. Number 7. Personalized education. The advent of AI in education is set to show in a new era of personalized learning, where each student's educational journey is as unique as their fingerprint. By 2027, AI will be able to analyze individual learning patterns, preferences, and performance, allowing for the creation of customized curricula that cater to the strengths and weaknesses of each learner. Students will no longer have to conform to a one-size-fits-all approach. Instead, they will be engaged with content designed to challenge and stimulate their personal growth. The result is a more dynamic and inclusive educational environment where all students can thrive, regardless of their starting point. As we move towards 2027, AI-driven personalized education is poised to become a cornerstone of academic success, ensuring that every student has the opportunity to reach their full potential. Number 6. Smart cities. The concept of smart cities is rapidly becoming a reality, with AI at the forefront of this transformation. By 2027, AI will be instrumental in managing city infrastructures, significantly improving energy efficiency, traffic flow, and public safety. AI systems can analyze vast amounts of data from sensors and IoT devices, optimizing energy consumption across different city sectors. This will reduce costs and contribute to a greener urban environment. Traffic management will also be revolutionized as AI algorithms will predict and alleviate congestion, synchronize traffic signals, and improve the commuter experience. Public safety will be enhanced through real-time surveillance and predictive policing, making cities safer for everyone. These advancements in AI will not only make city living more sustainable and convenient, still, they will also improve the quality of life for citizens by creating a more connected and intelligent urban ecosystem. As we approach 2027, integrating AI into city infrastructures promises urban dwellers a smarter, safer, and more efficient future. Number 5. Voice-activated assistants. The landscape of daily living is poised for a dramatic shift as voice-activated assistants become increasingly sophisticated. By 2027, these AI-powered companions will be seamlessly integrated into our lives, understanding and anticipating our needs with remarkable accuracy. They will evolve beyond simple command-response functions to proactive personal aids capable of managing schedules, controlling smart home devices, and assisting with real-time tasks. Their convenience will extend to all facets of life, from helping us stay organized and connected to enhancing our ability to multitask effectively. As voice recognition technology advances, these assistants will become more intuitive, responsive, and personalized, making them an indispensable part of our daily routine. Number 4. Robotic process automation. Robotic process automation, RPA, will redefine the workplace by 2027, automating mundane and repetitive tasks and freeing human workers to engage in more creative and strategic endeavors. This shift will enhance productivity and allow for a more fulfilling work experience. As AI takes over routine processes, employees can contribute more meaningfully, leveraging their unique human skills such as problem-solving, critical thinking, and emotional intelligence. The future of work will be characterized by collaboration between humans and AI, with RPA as the bridge amplifying human potential. Number 3. Enhanced cybersecurity. Cybersecurity is set to be revolutionized by AI by 2027, with significant advancements in protecting corporate and international digital infrastructures. AI's ability to rapidly analyze and respond to threats will provide a robust defense against increasingly sophisticated cyber attacks. Through continuous learning and adaptation, AI systems can detect anomalies and potential breaches, often before they occur, ensuring that sensitive data and critical systems are safeguarded with unprecedented effectiveness. This proactive stance in cybersecurity will shield against current threats and evolve to counteract future vulnerabilities, establishing a dynamic barrier to cyber threats. Number 2. 6G edge computing. 6G, the next generation of mobile networks, promises a dramatic leap in speed and reduced delays. This, coupled with edge computing, where data processing occurs closer to users, unlocks real-time applications with transformative potential. Imagine remote surgery with minimal lag, autonomous vehicles making split-second decisions based on real-time data, and seamless, near-instantaneous communication with AI assistants. The synergy of 6G and edge computing is key to unlocking these possibilities and revolutionizing fields like healthcare, transportation, and human-computer interaction. Number 1. Smarter homes. Imagine a home that anticipates your needs. By 2027, AI-powered smart homes are expected to become even more sophisticated. These homes will use AI assistants to manage everything from lighting and temperature to appliances and security systems, Imagine arriving home to a comfortable temperature, preset lighting, and even your favorite music playing, all thanks to your AI assistant learning your preferences and routines. This level of personalization and automation promises to significantly enhance our comfort, convenience, and even security within our living spaces. If you're as excited about the future as we are, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.